Calling all dreamers, thinkers, creators. Are you ready to change the world by launching a career in STEM? Take the first step in your journey at the ExxonMobil Foundation Teen Engineering and Tech Centers. All eligible 9th grade students can receive free, high-quality, hands-on after-school STEM training. At the TETCs, we're on a mission to increase the number of students who can be the next generation of engineers and scientists. And your talents are critical to this mission. Here, you won't just learn, you'll innovate. Each center is a hub for invention, a space where you can get hands-on experience with electronics, robotics, virtual and augmented reality, the reactive world of chemistry, and more. Embarking on this journey, you'll be equipped with the support, resources, and experiences to prepare you for a rewarding career in STEM. Unlock a world of possibilities and shape your future. Apply to join us today.